make money online with DeepSeek in 5 easy steps. So let's have a look at each of these steps and see how we can start making money with DeepSeek. Nella Fernandez from Fitpreneurship, and let's have a look. First and foremost, I will leave a link to my free community where you can get a doc which would assist you in this method. Okay, so first, when you click on the link below, it should take you to sign up for this free community. And once you're in the free community, you'd want to go in this free docs. So you click on this and it'll run you step by step as to what is to be done. So the first thing is to get to DeepSeek. So if you do not know till now, DeepSeek is the thing creating waves and going head on with things like ChatGPT, etc. Let's see how we can use it effectively to earn money. Okay. Step 1, log into DeepSeek. So if you click on this, it would take you to a page where you would have to sign up for DeepSeek. You could use your Google account. You could set a username and a password and also sign up. So once you've signed up with verification and all, you'd want to use this DeepSeek R. So that's the model you want to use so to get some good results. So that's our first step. Next is we want to choose a niche. So I would always suggest using any of these 3 niches: health, wealth, or relationships, because they are the ones that always make money. Okay, but in case you're still unsure as to what to do, so you can, I've got a prompt here. You could use this prompt. So you could either go for one of these niches, health, wealth, and relationships, or use the prompt. So what you do is you just copy and paste this prompt into DeepSeek. So you can just copy and paste it. Okay, that's step 2. Okay, I've done a Control-C, and then I just paste it in DeepSeek, and then I ensure that DeepSeek R1 is highlighted, and then I can give it a go. So let it think and give me the results. So you can see how it's going up. Same like ChatGPT, but it's much cheaper, what I heard. So now you can see what kind of niches you get out here, what kind of ideas for niches you're going to get out here. So it has given me quite a few ideas here with the niches, sub niches, monetization, how to monetize, etc. But let's go ahead and take one of those niches: health, wealth, or relationships. So let's take wealth. So moving on to our third step. So we have logged into DeepSeek. We have chosen our niche, or we have run the prompt. And next we want to go and get an affiliate product to promote that. So I would suggest go for ClickBank, because ClickBank has a lot of varied products. You can go in for things like Warrior Plus, or you could even Google some of the affiliate programs that are available for the niche you have chosen. So let's assume we are going for ClickBank. So in ClickBank, what you want to do is first go to the marketplace. So how do you get to the marketplace? You'd go to the tab on top, to the tabs on top, and click on marketplace, and this is where you are in the marketplace. Now you'd want to see whatever your niche is. So we go in for the e-business. We said we were going in for the wealth part of it. So let's have a look and see what kind of wealth things are there. Now we want to go for average conversions, or you can also go in for gravity. So let's say we've gone in for this e-business and we have gone in for average conversions. So you can see this kind of offer would give you about $650 per sale. So in case you wanted to promote it, you'd have to click on this promote button and get your links here. You'd put your affiliate name out there, and then you'd continue. Okay, so that's where you'd get your affiliate link from. Now next, what we are going to do is we want to review this product. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the link of the product that would take you to the sales page. So now I'm in the sales page. Now what you're going to do after that is going to take the URL that is at the top of this page, which I'm looking at just now. That URL you're going to take and you're going to save it, and we will see what is to be done after that. So we have finished the step 3. We have chosen our product. Now we want to write a review article about that product. So again, I've got a prompt here. So you're going to copy this prompt, and where it says you need to change up a bit of it. So what you want to do is insert the topic related to the product service. So this is wealth, and describe the audience, people interested in making money online for this product. And you're going to put the URL out here. So you can see the URL of the page out there, the sales page. And then that's the prompt you're going to put into DeepSeek. So now I've copied this prompt and I've put it in DeepSeek. You can see I've put the topic as make money online and people interested in making money online. Next, I've put in the URL as well of the sales page. And then I see it is in DeepSeek R1 and I'm hitting the go button. We'll wait for it and see what results we get. So you keep getting this Cloudflare verified I'm a human and it's thinking again. Okay, so I've already got something you can see here. I've got this thing as a server is busy, please try again later. So we'll wait for some time and I will stop this video here and I'll retry again later. But you can see probably this is the new thing and I'm using the free version just now. It is a little slow. Now say I've got my article from Seek and now I move on to the next step. So once DeepSeek gives me the article, I've copied it. It's copied to the clipboard. Now I'm going to step 5. In step 5, I need to go to Medium and start posting it in Medium. So Medium is a platform which has viral blog articles on it. So let's go to Medium. So you can click this link which will take you to Medium. So I'm in my Medium account. I want to start writing. So I'll click on that and I'll start writing my blog post. So what I can do is just paste it out here. So now the whole thing is it's given me the whole rundown of a review of the product I intend promoting. Now what I need to do is where it says click to register, I want to put my affiliate link out there. You could put directly your affiliate link out here, or you could shorten it. You could use bit.ly to shorten it. So now I'm in bit.ly. Now I want to shorten the link, so I'll just paste my URL out there. Now this is not my actual link, but I put a dummy link out there and I'll get it for free. It'll ask you to sign up, etc. before that. Yeah, okay, so I'll have to sign up for that. So once I get that, I would definitely get my shortened link. So once I have my shortened link, I can change that out here. I can put a click to register, or I can just keep the main link. Now you could read this article, you could change it up, you could see whatever, and then you can just hit the publish button out there. So that's the method. So when people see your blog post and they're intrigued by it, visit the sales page and pick it up, you get commissions. Now let's go on to the next step. So that's your 5-step process. The bonus step is you could post the blog post onto your Insta bio. Okay, so you could put the blog post there, or I would not really suggest putting your direct affiliate link there. I would suggest putting it to the blog post so that people can see your review of the product. So what your content should be leading them to the link in your bio and intriguing them to click further. So that's the 5-step process. Now also, if you see in this document, you also have this discover the 5+ best easy ways to make money with DeepSeek. So you could try that out because that's a cool new product that's come out. So you can try that out as well. So this is the 5-step method. Leave your comments down, any questions that you might have, and see the other videos where I'll show you how to make faceless reels and start promoting these kind of products. So take care. I will see you in the other videos.